Back on the charts worksheet, there's another tool that's well worth exploring, and it may even come up with some insights about your data that you hadn't even thought of. Once again, with all of this data selected on the Home tab, all the way over on the right-hand side, there's an option called Analyze Data. And when I click on that, that opens up a pane. This analyzes the data in this selection. Here I see cookies sold by month in a table format. But here if I scroll down, I see that Excel has automatically generated some charts on my behalf. And here it finds some interesting insights. It says that cookies sold had an outlier in December. And that's right, December's that big spike at the end of the year. And here I see a chart. If this is a chart that I like and I think that insight's interesting, here I could click on Insert Pivot Chart, and that inserts a chart into my workbook. Back on the charts worksheet, there are some other ways that you can visualize your data outside of a formal chart. Here I'll select all of the cookies sold. And when I select those, here you'll see that quick analysis icon appear. You could also press Control Q. I'll press that shortcut key. And that opens up these different controls. Here I have my formatting, and earlier we looked at conditional formatting, but here I can apply that as well. So maybe I want to insert data bars. Now this is similar to a chart, and here once again I could see that big spike at the end of the year. Along with simply adding visuals, I could also add some interesting analysis. I'll press Control Q again, and here I have the option for totals. And when I click on that, I have all these different options. If I go over here, I could add the percent of total, and I'll add that. And here I can see what percent of the total the month makes up. So here once again, that reaffirms how important December is for the company. It's almost 40% of our yearly sales. We better do a good job in December. And here too, I could select all of these values. Here I could click on Quick Analysis, and maybe I want to add a color scale. And here once again, we see how important December is.